I would like to welcome Dr. Indu Ambulkar, consultant, Seven Hills Hospital, who will be highlighting the key points from National Healthcare Policy 2017. Please put your hands together for Dr. Indu Ambulkar.
I will start with the definition of health. Health means the physical, mental, social and spiritual well-being. The health policy should look into all the aspects of health. The focus should be more on the prevention. I am a medical oncologist and I see a lot of patients even now also, even though I'm working in the city of Mumbai, but then also I see a lot of patients, they come in a very advanced stage. And many times I see that the surgery is not possible. So the health policy should focus on primary prevention. Primary prevention starts with the health education. The health education should be started from the very beginning. It should be included in the school education and the school curricula. There should be teaching about the communicable and non-communicable diseases, and there should be discussion about the prevention of both communicable and non-communicable diseases. And there should be a teaching about the importance of prevention of these diseases, including the healthy diet, healthy lifestyle, and the risk factors about, which are responsible for these diseases. The very important risk factors are tobacco and alcohol. These two risk factors are the important risk factors which give rise to most of the non-communicable diseases which are very prevalent nowadays. And as the population is growing, the number of non-communicable diseases are also growing. So if we focus on these two risk factors like tobacco and alcohol, we can prevent many non-communicable diseases like heart-related diseases, hypertension, then COPD and cancer, which is also growing. There should be screening programs. There should be more focus on the screening programs because if the diseases are diagnosed in early stage, they can be either treatable or they can be controllable. So the general population should be focused on the screening programs, and the health policy should have more and more screening programs. And especially in the women, we see a lot of cancers in the form of breast cancer and cervical cancer. So the simple pap smear and the mammography should be there, and it should go to the general population, not only the metro cities and the 2-tier and 3-tier cities, but to the rural population also. So the government policy should focus on the screening program. It is good to have more and more hospitals at the district and the taluka level, but at the same time, we need to empower the medical and paramedical staff. It is very important. They should be given safety, security, and lucrative offers so that they should stay back in the taluka level. I think it is very important. Public-private partnership hospitals should be encouraged. So I work in a public-private partnership hospital, and I see it's running very well. And these private hospitals should be in the reach of the general population as well as the rural population. And public and private partnership hospitals should be encouraged by the government. There should be more and more digital clinics and mobile clinics also. These mobile clinics should have the basic investigation facilities, including the routine blood investigations, the pap smear, and the mammography, and they should be encouraged in the rural areas more. There should be maximum use of media, including the print media, TV, radio, and especially the social media, to make the population aware about the diseases and to spread awareness about the symptoms related to diseases, early diagnosis, and treatment on time. Data monitoring is very important in the field of cancer at different levels. It will help us in knowing the incidence and prevalence of particular disease to form the list of diseases and make the schemes accordingly. The health policy should promote more and more clinical research. The health policy should also increase the medical tourism. I think it's very important. It is increasing day by day because we have expertise and infrastructure in India which can be utilized at a maximum by different parts of the world, which will be cheaper for them. So this way we can have better relationship with the other part of the country also. Thank you so much.
To the next award category among Best Oncologist and Hematologist in Mumbai. The award goes to Dr. Indu Ambulkar.